we have to go to the next topic, which is biorefineries. And I want to bring your attention, I'm going to go 2 minutes over. I want to bring your attention to well, first of all, I thought it was interesting that the National Geographic story, that's this month, that's the October issue. So it almost seemed like it was made for this conference. But the one on the left is the one I really want to bring your attention to, living without oil. Because this entire, most of this issue is focused on the petrochemical substitution industry. So it's not talking about fuels, it's talking about petrochemicals. So the plastics, the solvents, the detergents, the everything. I mean, the varnishes, everything is petrochemicals, and Houston, of course, is a petrochemical city. And this entire issue, well, not the entire issue, but several parts of it are dedicated to looking at how biomass-based plastic and chemical industries can replace the petrochemical industry. Well, that slide got screwed up. But basically, there on your left, those are the derivatives of the petrochemical industry that anyone in Houston is familiar with. And those are the building blocks for all the industrial and household products we're used to. The biochemical industry is going to start to create those same things with sugars, starches, fats, and proteins. I'll let these slides sort of be self-explanatory. The biochemical industry has many benefits over the petrochemical industry for plastics and these sorts of things. Quickly, what I want to bring your attention to here is that the red slice of the pie is the volume of fossil fuel that currently goes into the petrochemical industry, so it's quite small, so you think it's not significant. However, the numbers to the right there show the actual gross value, the market value for the product. And so the market value for the petrochemical product, which only takes 3.4% of all fossil fuels, is almost exactly the same as the market value for all fuels based on fossil fuels. So there's a huge incentive to work into chemicals as opposed to fuels. So that's definitely something that can affect the future of Houston's economy, because it's also much easier to adapt to a bio plastic, for example. For example, I don't care if this pen is made from plastic from biomass or fossil fuels, whereas if to put ethanol in your car, if you have to change your car, if the end user needs to make a change, then that's going to be a bigger hurdle. End users don't have to make a change to get chemical products made from biomass. Okay, so I have to wrap up very quickly. We are seeing a new breed of chemical companies, and I'll sort of end it with a joke. People remember George Carlin from the 70s, the comedian from the 70s. He once had a line, something like, Goodyear pancakes. You wouldn't want to buy Goodyear pancakes. Well, in the future, you may be buying Aunt Jemima tires. Okay, thank you. Good job.